Welcome to Shanghai King Global Shelf, a global leader in innovative storage solutions. With a strong commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, we specialize in providing high-performance warehouse racking systems to meet the unique needs of businesses worldwide. Headquartered in Shanghai, our company brings together a team of experienced professionals dedicated to delivering cutting-edge, customized designs at no extra cost. Our expertise spans offering solutions for warehousing from concept to execution. We ensure that our products enhance operational efficiency, reduce costs, and maximize storage capacity. At King Global, we pride ourselves on our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Henan, which spans over 49,800 square meters, equipped with the latest in automated production technology. Our factory enables us to produce racking systems that meet the highest industry standards. Our commitment to precision quality control and customer satisfaction sets us apart in the marketplace. Our comprehensive approach ensures that each product undergoes strict testing to guarantee reliability and durability. With a global network of satisfied clients, we are proud to serve industries ranging from logistics to retail, providing tailored storage solutions that drive business success. At King Global, we are dedicated to building long-term partnerships and providing the most efficient, cost-effective, and reliable storage solutions available.